Alright, so I cut the top off. As you can see in the last video, cut the top off, but this is really, really sharp, so I'm going to go ahead and grind it down now. Let's try to smooth it out a little bit. So here we go. Alright, so you can see right here what I did was, originally, of course, I cut this off, cut the top off, and then this part right here was really, really sharp. Really sharp, so sharp it cut my finger, as a matter of fact. Well, that's why I'm wearing these, but it cut my finger. So I got the grinder and kind of smoothed it out, grinded it all the way around, kind of, it's sticking out, so I got on the top and then around a little bit, right? So it smoothed it out all the way around, and then I just got the hammer and kind of beat it down. So you can see right here, yeah, I mean, it's not sharp, so it should be fine. Now maybe up underneath, if you grab it up underneath maybe, but yeah, but this is fine. So yeah, there we go. So next step is to burn this sucker out. It's got a little bit of liquid down there, a little bit of oil or something. We'll burn this thing out, and then yeah, we'll be one step closer, right? Alright, thanks for watching. Peace.